Hello, my name is Venegas, and I created an instructional guide on how to create a website utilizing Google Sites. I noticed that many of you, my classmates, had some questions. Many of us had questions actually. And I decided to set up this website, which I intend to keep it going after we finish with this presentation and on time, so you can actually keep the link and utilize it in the future. Right now, obviously, is a very simple presentation. Eventually, I will do a more thorough job on explaining the slides bit by bit, and eventually also I would like to include some more features, some more variables to the makeup of the website. Anyways, to start off, I had my menu of a website. Some of these are already made, some of these are not. So I went with one that I actually registered the name, but I will also show you how to register it. The name is Mr. Concrete LLC. So from the first screen we move on. I'm not going to explain all the slides right now because we only have 5 minutes, of course. So I'm just going to explain a few. But like I said, eventually I will make a more thorough presentation, which of course is going to be a bit longer, explaining the process, how it is. Then, you can, even though I have a menu of sites, I can create a new one. Of course, if the site already exists, the Google Sites will actually let you know whether or not the name is available. You can make variations to the name, to make it work for you, and so on. So I started with I didn't preset a background template. I actually did not on purposely, because I wanted to show you how to do it while you work on it. Of course, presetting a template is much easier, but let's go on. So once you set up your name, you go onto the website, and all you have is the website onto a home screen, onto a blank home screen. So on the top right, you have the settings, right, and the editing buttons. When you open up the settings, you see that you have a few choices. I'll explain the choices later on. Well, actually, one of the choices we need to do it now. Right, the fourth from the bottom is called Manage Site. We're gonna be using this quite a bit. So when you click on it, you go to a page where you see the name of your page on top of it, and right below a red button that says Save. So here we gotta decide what we gotta start designing the actual template or even the fonts of our of our website, well, of letters, even the type of fonts, the type of lettering, the size, etc. So we keep moving on. You see all the changes. I made it red and I made it back to black, from gray to red to black. I even changed the type of lettering to one that I like better for the type of business that I'm doing, and I changed it to the largest size that these websites actually offers. Then I figured that, you know, if you want to add something to the website, then you could probably go to Google and Google Images. I figured, you know, let's try to choose a flag, or even maybe a background with a stamped concrete, because that's what the website is all about, stamped concrete. And I put it on. I put it as a background on the home page, but then I took it off. Okay, then I decided to put my logo on the website. You see how I take the logo, but it's repeated, so I chose not to repeat it, and it's on the left side, but it doesn't show the word home, so I decided to move it to the right side. I will also explain later on how to do those movements, how to do those editings. The color that you see on top on the heading, I decided to go with the green. Well, it's not the same green that's on the logo because it's too shiny. It would be too shiny, so I decided to go to a softer green behind the Mr. Concrete LLC. So it's softer to the eye, a different shade. I made it to a different shade, but I like it better. Anyways, we keep going. Well, I also showing how to add a page. So I'm adding another page that is called About Us. So it talks about the company. So I write the About Us and save it. Always remember saving after you make a change, because otherwise, if you get out of the page, the changes are not going to be saved, and you got to lose it all. Keep going on. I made a third page called the gallery. I put thumbnails. I mean, you can put pictures, if you're adding pictures, on different sizes. I decided to put in a thumbnail size, and there it is. And well, then the website is done. Well, I think for now, this is it. Thank you very much, and it took a little more than 5 minutes. I'm sorry. Well, thank you. Bye.